So the Bahamas are going to extend the vaccination requirement for cruisers, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So if you remember, back on September the 1st, the Bahamas put out that all cruise passengers 12 and older had to be fully vaccinated and provide proof of vaccination in order to go to any of the islands in the Bahamas on board a cruise ship. And this included the cruise ship's private islands. Once they put that out, all of the cruise lines, particularly those that sail out of Florida and go to the Bahamas on a regular basis, all updated their cruise protocols to require that all passengers 12 and older be fully vaccinated just to meet this requirement. And of course, you know, the Bahamas are not the only islands out in the Caribbean that require the full vaccinations. Now, this was set to expire here on November the 1st, but the Bahamas have decided to extend this into 2022. No final end date has been given yet, but let's be 100% honest, this is not really a shock. This is not really a surprise. We have already seen the CDC extend the conditional sail order to the middle of January of 2022. The cruise lines are already saying they're going to continue following the conditional sail order. Some cruise lines have already put out their health and safety protocols for January and February, which continue with the vaccination requirements. So the Bahamas extending is really no surprise. We know the cruise lines are going to continue to follow it, so they are still going to be fully vaccinated cruises for anybody that is age 12 or older. I don't think we're going to see any real changes to the vaccine policy, at least until they make a determination on whether children ages 5 to 11 can get the vaccine. Once that's approved by the FDA, the CDC, they give all of the necessary goes for children 5 to 12 to get the vaccine, then is when we may see changes from the CDC. We may see the CDC make that a cruise requirement or recommend that be a cruise requirement, and we could see the age change on cruise ships from 12 and older to 5 and older. I think that is a distinct possibility, something we may see mid to end November, beginning of December, depending on exactly when the CDC puts it out, recommends it, and then possibly adds it to the conditional sail order. And that's where I think the next real big change in vaccinations is going to come from. It's just going to include more people before we see it get to the point where it includes less people. Yes, I think someday we will get to a point where vaccinations won't be required. We're not there yet. We definitely will not be there this year. Fully vaccinated cruises are definitely going to go into 2022. But I did want to give you the update on the Bahamas and let you know that they have extended that policy at least into the beginning of 2022. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor. Let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.